Listen, man. It's one thing you've ruined every single opening of evolutions I've ever done. But you just had to Leek slap your way into Poké Stream, Trainer Tray, Blastoise 93? You have gone too far, Farfetch'D. What's good, guys? I'm Otto the Metalkake, and welcome to my kitchen, where all of your macros come true. Fat gain is impossible, and we make some good food. Now, as the mighty Brock has taught us, good nutrition is extremely important for a Pokémon trainer. So I am here today to show you that good nutrition is not hard at all. So follow along. Here is what we need. 1.2 kilograms of potatoes, 1 leek, some chilies, basil, some spices. I recommend black pepper and smoked paprika, and finally, of course, our Farfetch'D, otherwise known as a chicken. We'll start by preheating the oven to 175 degrees. After washing the potatoes, we cut them up into rustic pieces. Something like this. Now, never peel your potatoes. The skins are the best part. Then we lay them into an oven pan, such as this. Rinse and repeat. After washing the leek, we cut off the stem as well as some of the leaves, as they don't taste very pleasant. Then we cut it up into small rings and lay them into the oven pan. Observe. Some of the outer leaves tend to be a bit tough, so we remove them. Next up, we cut the chili into small pieces as well. Now, I do not recommend removing all of the seeds, as the oven reduces the potency of a chili anyways. Now, avoid rubbing your eyes while you're doing this, or using the toilet. Now take the chili and spread the pieces evenly in the pan. See, this is simple. Let us add some spice. The most important part would be salt. do not be afraid of using salt. There's nothing wrong with salt. Some black pepper. Some smoked paprika. Or really any chili powder of your choice. Cayenne pepper would work fine as well. Not too much, since we already do have chili in the mix. And finally, some of our fresh herbs. Basil. As a finishing touch, I would recommend adding some extra virgin olive oil. Now you do want to use extra virgin olive oil, no other seed oil. Coconut oil is acceptable as well. Just a little bit. Spread it evenly across the pan. Perfect. Lastly, we grab our Farfetch'D and lay it onto the bed we have created. Like so. See, the science here is, you see all this good chicken fat here? It will seep down and marinate all our potatoes and leeks and make them extra delicious. But now we are ready for the oven. We shove it in for approximately 1.5 hours. Well, since Farfetch'D is still in the oven, we might as well get into some Pokemon cards. I present to you the Ultra Prism Blister Pack featuring Alolan Vulpix. Excellent. Outstanding. Good. Here's everything we got. We got 3 packs of Ultra Prism, the Alolan Vulpix, a sweet coin, and also the online code card. Behold. Solgaleo, I guess. An unknown new dimension. I'm gonna do the code card like this so I won't spoil anything. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, since it's Sun and Moon, right? Psychic Energy. Donald Trump. Haha, Luxio. Looker. Hazel Looker. Carnivine. Lickitung. Sneasel. The monkey. The good fire monkey. Magmar. We got a Giratina. Prism Star, I guess. Oh, we got something else as well. Oh, nice. Pokemon Fan Club Full Art Trainer card. Now, as you might know, I am a huge fan of the Full Art Trainers. But I think this pack was pretty damn good. Huh, next! The Lunala pack. Lunala to me. The code? 1, 2, 3, 4. Leaf Energy. Ronzon. Fire Memory. Rottle. The bunny. Cherubi. Magnemite. Living his best life. Sneasel. Alolan Diglett. Yanmega. And a Shaman. Last pack. The Farfetch'D in the oven is starting to smell pretty good.
I'll spot it anyways. But hey, it's a white code card, so it might be something good. Fist! Palpad. Luxio. Shieldin. Turtwig. Love it. Nibby. Roselia. Young Goose. There's gonna be another Turtwig. And Bashtidden. He's metal. Otherwise known as Metal. Cool! Here's the catch of the day. Pokemon Fan Club, Giratina. Those are the best. Especially this one. Cool. Now, let us see if Farfetch'd is ready. It has now been approximately 1.5 hours, and here is the end product. Roasted Farfetch'D.
I sincerely hope you enjoyed this video and enjoy your meal. Thank you for cooking with me, Otto the Metalkake. Like the video, comment down below and subscribe. And I will catch you in the next exciting episode. This is Pepsi Max. Look. Bug in my eye. What is a man? A miserable pile of secrets. Die, monster. You don't belong here. But enough talk. How about you? I'm not gonna throw this. But you just had to Leek slap your way into